7 best online businesses to start as a teenager in 2025. The world of online business is blowing up, and as a teen, you're probably wondering how you can get in on the action. Well, you're in luck, because today we're going to explore the amazing opportunities available for teens like you to make money online in 2025. From freelance work to e-commerce and content creation, the possibilities are endless. But before we dive into the good stuff, let's talk about the challenges many teens face when trying to find legitimate ways to make money online. One of the biggest hurdles is simply not knowing where to start. With so much information available, it's easy to get overwhelmed and give up before you even begin. Another challenge is dealing with scams and fake opportunities that promise the world but deliver nothing. It's frustrating, and it's enough to make you want to throw in the towel. Many teens also lack the necessary skills or experience to get started, which can be a major confidence killer. And finally, there's the fear of failure. What if you try something and it doesn't work out? That's a tough pill to swallow. But here's the thing, despite these challenges, there are thousands of teens out there who are crushing it online. They're making money, building businesses and creating their own opportunities. And you can too. If you're a teenager looking to make 2025 the year you take control of your financial future, here are 7 online businesses you can start today. 1. Print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand is a booming business model, especially for teenagers looking for an easy, low-investment way to start an online business. In print-on-demand, you create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and tote bags. And when customers make a purchase, the product is printed and shipped for you. This means you don't need to worry about inventory or shipping, and you only pay for the product once it's sold, which reduces upfront costs. How to get started? Create your online store. Platforms like Odoo offer free website creation tools, which include a free domain for 1 year. This is a great way to launch your store without worrying about the high costs of domain registration. Design your products. Use user-friendly tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create unique and trendy designs for your products. Keep in mind what kind of products your target audience would be interested in. Market your store. Once your store is set up, use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest to promote your designs. Instagram has a large community of young users who often shop online. Handle logistics with automation. Services like ShipRocket take care of the shipping and payment processing, leaving you with the creative freedom to focus on design. 2. Selling digital products. Selling digital products can be one of the most profitable side hustles, especially if you have skills in areas like writing, design, or teaching. Digital products such as ebooks, online courses, templates, or digital art require minimal overhead once created. They can be sold repeatedly without the need for physical inventory, making them a great source of passive income. How to get started? Choose your niche. Identify a digital product that matches your skills or interests. For instance, if you're good at graphic design, you could sell printable planners, logos, or templates. If you're an expert in a subject, create an online course. Create your product. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy make it easy to upload and sell digital products. For courses, tools like Teachable or Udemy allow you to build and sell courses with little technical know-how. Market your products. Promote your digital products through your website, blog, or social media platforms. You can also use paid ads or influencer collaborations to reach a larger audience. 3. Selling wall posters. Selling wall posters is an excellent online business idea for teenagers who are creative and have an eye for design. Posters are always in demand, and they can be a great way to express your artistic talents. By creating posters with motivational quotes, minimalistic art, or aesthetic designs, you can tap into the current trend of home decor, especially for younger people looking to decorate their spaces. How to get started? Design your posters. Use free online design tools like Canva, which offers templates for posters. You can customize these templates to create unique designs. Set up an online store. You can sell your posters on platforms like Etsy, where there's a large market for handmade or artistic products. Alternatively, you can create your website using platforms like Shopify or Odoo. Print and ship. Use services like Printful or Printify that handle production and shipping when a customer places an order. This way, you don't need to keep inventory, and the printing and shipping are handled for you. Marketing. Promote your designs on social media, particularly Instagram and Pinterest, where aesthetic visuals do well. You can also partner with influencers to showcase your posters in their home decor. 4. TikTok Shop. TikTok has become a dominant platform for e-commerce, especially for younger generations. With TikTok Shop, you can sell products directly to your audience through your TikTok videos, without needing a website or upfront investment. This platform is ideal for people who are good at creating engaging content and want to monetize their influence. How to get started? Create your account on TikTok Seller Center. To sell on TikTok, you need to sign up for TikTok Shop. Once approved, you can start adding products to your profile. Choose your products. Select products that align with your audience's interests. Popular categories include fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products. Promote your products. Create engaging and authentic TikTok videos showcasing your products. Make use of trending hashtags, music, and challenges to increase visibility. TikTok's algorithm promotes organic content, so creativity is key. Handle orders and customer service. TikTok Shop takes care of the payment and order processing, but you will be responsible for managing customer inquiries and feedback. 5. Hosting gaming tournaments. Gaming tournaments are a fun and profitable side hustle, especially if you already have a passion for video games. You can host tournaments for popular games like FIFA, PUBG, or Fortnite and charge entry fees. Not only do you earn money from the fees, but you can also make money through sponsorships and rewards. The gaming industry continues to grow, with millions of players willing to pay for a chance to compete. How to get started? Choose a game. Pick a game that you and your friends or community members enjoy and that has a competitive edge. Set up the tournament structure. Decide on the entry fee and rewards for winners. You can charge a small fee per player and offer a portion of the pool as the grand prize. Promote the tournament. Use social media, Discord, or gaming forums to get the word out about your tournament. You can also offer cash prizes or in-game rewards to attract participants. Manage the event. You don't need to be a gaming expert. You just need to organize the event, track scores, and handle logistics. Platforms like Discord can help you manage the participants. 6. Part-time work. A classic option for teenagers, part-time jobs not only provide a steady stream of income, but also help you develop skills that can be valuable in the future. Whether you work in retail, customer service, or any other industry, a part-time job can teach you how to manage your time, handle money, and interact with customers. Skills that will come in handy no matter what you do later in life. How to get started? Look for part-time job opportunities. Check job boards or local listings for opportunities. Retail jobs, customer service, and food delivery are common options for teenagers. Consider flexible roles. Look for roles that align with your school schedule. Many employers offer part-time positions that allow for flexible hours. Build experience. Use this time to build your work experience and learn valuable skills like communication, teamwork, and time management. 7. Reselling shoes. Reselling shoes is a popular online business for teenagers, especially those who are passionate about fashion and streetwear. With the right strategy, reselling shoes can be a highly profitable venture. Whether you're customizing sneakers or simply flipping popular pairs, this business has a low barrier to entry and can yield high profits if done right. How to get started? Find affordable shoes. Look for stylish shoes on platforms like IndiaMart or check out local stores for deals. You can also explore online marketplaces for limited edition sneakers. Photograph and list. Take high-quality pictures of the shoes and list them on Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, or platforms like eBay or StockX. Leverage your network. Use social media to promote your shoes and engage with potential buyers. Establish trust with your audience by offering great customer service and communicating through WhatsApp or Instagram DM. Offer delivery services. If you can, offer home delivery or meet in person to exchange shoes, which adds a personal touch to the transaction. Conclusion. Starting an online business as a teenager in 2025 has never been more accessible. Whether you're reselling shoes, creating digital products, or running a TikTok shop, there's an opportunity to earn money and gain valuable business experience. These 7 online business ideas offer a great starting point for teens looking to jump into the world of entrepreneurship. The key is to take action, stay committed, and have fun while building your brand. Start today and make 2025 the year you take control of your financial future. And if you're looking for more financial tips, strategies, and inspiration, don't forget to check out my other videos. Together, we can build a future of financial security and freedom, one step at a time. Subscribe now